YouTube viewers. It's just me and my brother Ian walking on the trail, avoiding all family members that are younger than us, aka Naima, Zai, and Raquan.
I'm trying not to feel the trash. I'm trying not to get a view of the trash.
The nature trail is kind of beautiful, even though it has a lot of bugs that like to attack people. Attack people, yeah. Don't do that. So yeah, we're just walking this lonely road where there's spiders, mosquitoes, flies, and sometimes even whatchamacallit? What are those called?
Ticks?
Fleas, or nits. What are they called? What are those things
Uh-huh.
called?
I do not know.
Those bloodsuckers that you were talking about.
Ticks?
Ticks. Even ticks. Maybe we should show them that trail. Oh my god, it's motorcycle people. Keep walking.
So you want to go in there?
No.
You want to walk through the trail, you mean?
No. It's a very long walk,
Gotcha.
which means this is going to be a very long uploading for the video. What are you doing? Yeah, stop.
Slowing down to get you.
I hate this ugly pink colors. Stop. Ian, turn around. I don't like you. Is it hot out here? It's just me. This is so weird.
Try and talk to the viewers.
Are those little people blocking the trail?
Nope, they don't. Okay.
They're down there though.
Why are they humping a gate? That's not
There's only one of them.
No, the part's right there.
Look, it's the part. Show the viewers the part.
The part.
The part where they claim people died.
Realize. Actually,
People are down there.
Yeah, I can
My
hear
ear is not bad.
I understand.
I hope they get slaughtered. Nobody heard that. The curse of the farmer. Death to you all. It
The
is
woman's
hot
name
out
is
here.
Tiffany.
See? Right there.
That chick's name is Tiffany.
I don't care what the name is.
Oh, I'm sorry that I have keen sense of smell. I can smell her like up and down. Like
Ew.
she's like I still smell her.
Wow. What does she smell like?
Perfume.
She smells like what?
She has this like. You didn't smell her?
No.
How do you not smell her?
I don't know. Is it that fruity smell?
No.
I don't know what it smells. Turn.
Like
Turn.
smell. This
I don't feel
keen
like
smell.
What's the smell?
All right, trail is over, so
It's okay.
It's hard to explain the smell. I just smell it, and
It's
I guess
awful.
it smells good.
You like her smell.
Yeah. She got a big nose and some big cheeks, but
You like, but
face cheeks, not butt cheeks. viewers, face cheeks, not butt cheeks.
Like,
across the street.
you're the one making people think awkward. We already knew you meant face cheeks, not butt cheeks.
I just like the smell.
Butt cheeks. Wait, car. Oh, the car's on the other side. Walk on. Yes, people in Kentucky love to ride bikes a lot.
See this no sidewalk right here. Sidewalk there, sidewalk no. Sidewalk there, sidewalk no.
Oh,
Sidewalk
not the
here.
grass. Turn around.
Taking the
Pesticides
sidewalk?
grass.
Stop pulling on it.
Pesticides grass.
Walk with me.
You gotta go in a circle. What the heck?
There's a rock in my shoe. Or flip flop, whatever.
Well, you can't see where you're going.
Sorry.
I gotta hold you.
I'm watching the camera for crying out loud.
I have to direct you, like those guys on Cheaters, when they're teaching the newbies how to videotape. It's like right there. You gotta go this way. No, that way.
This is the
Get that shot. Get the shot of him slapping her. Run! They're coming after us, but shoot while they run. I kind of miss Cheaters. I hope they come out with a new show. Cheaters is kind of getting boring.
Did you just tell me to get it?
Do you want to
Kick
get
it,
for
kick
him?
it over, Maya.
Oh god.
Kick it over. Throw it or kick it, whatever. Helping citizens is her thing. We did. It was probably Raquan.
I don't know.
"I saw
Raquan's not
Maya.
wearing a green
I
and
saw
yellow
Maya
shirt.
over there."
Huh?
He's probably Raquan. He's probably like, I saw Maya. I saw Maya over there.
I thought you said he shot Maya. Oh, but he didn't shoot me. He saw me.
No sidewalk. Look, sidewalk. No sidewalk. Sidewalk. No sidewalk. No sidewalk.
No, look, there's another sidewalk. It's weird. How long is it?
This for 5 minutes. 5:52, 3, 4, 5.
No, you're joking.
Yeah, nearly 6
That's gonna
minutes.
take like 3 hours.
When we only had it at the house, we're gonna take a video and see the house.
Okay.
Nice neighborhood, except for if you go to the park. Let's go to the park.
You said except for you said let's go to the park.
Yeah, so except for the park, but let's go to the park.
Okay.
It's getting dark. Oh, let me see if we can- I can't put a whiteboard yet.
You must talk louder.
We're gonna have to stop recording
No.
and then
No.
start recording again and put down another
Oh.
video because
This is gonna take. just
it's
as
getting
long.
dark and I need to put on a whiteboard.
What's whiteboard?
It's supposed to make everything anything that's white a little bit brighter so it can help around the
Oh,
side.
thank you.
Huh?
We gotta stay away from the other side.
All right, well, let's head to, I guess, the swings. See, the park. So you can see there's
see that.
trash.
Yep.
See the swings. Look at that, trash. Damn, that's a lot of trash.
You're like, damn.
Look at it. It looks like they had a party in here. Look, were we gone that long?
Let's just go back to the house.
All right. Show the viewers how much trash there is. Trash. I'm gonna call Vi. I'm probably gonna, oh, there she is. She's just standing there. Walk out there. Move faster. Okay, we're good. We're clear.
You're like, okay, we're good.
All right, to get to the front of the house. We're gonna have to cross the street and go down. Are you ready?
Sure.
Left. I'm gonna look right. Look left.
Right.
All right. See? Sidewalk street.
Way.
Street.
Oh, you should have avoided commotion.
Turning right.
I have to yip
Speed
you.
bump. Come on, up the speed bump. Ow!
Ow.
Loser. Sewage. Sewage right in the middle of the grass. Come on.
That means it's going to the right place.
Yeah, so is this supposed to be in the street, not underneath our feet right now?
I don't know.
With our feet.
I don't get you. I
Yes.
never get you.
Or underneath our shoes.
Oh, step on something wet. No.
Ow! Tiptoe. I would say, oh my freaking god. They're in English. See. Okay, she sat down. Run. Let's go. Okay, she's not looking. Yeah. Okay, stop. Ready? We have to run. For it. She's here. She's right there. She's the only one in the blue.
This way.
Ready?
That
Ready?
way. No, that way.
Stop saying things.
He's a weird kid. Is that the other
Preston. The one on red is Preston. I think. I don't know. It's hard to tell who's
Preston
Preston
was
now.
Stalker Preston.
Okay, ready? Run. Oh god, we made it. She didn't see us.
Into the building.
Log 6. We made it. Alright. All we gotta do is look left, look right, cross the street. We made it. We made it alive. As you can see, there's some weird children down there by the basketball court with no hoop.
That's the shirt I saw.
Yes. That guy with the green shirt and the black dog, he's weird out.
Aren't they all here?
Alright, well, we're at the house. So, viewers, goodbye.